Hello, welcome. This is a tutorial on how to make a sock ball. All you need is a pair of socks, or you can even make this with three socks. First, you need a table or a board where you can place your socks on. Then you are going to place both the socks just like how the video is showing. One on the top, one on the bottom. You are then going to roll the bottom part of the sock. I would suggest you to roll the sock all the way to the top. After rolling the sock, there are going to be two openings of the sock. You are going to look for the sock that is on the outer side, not the inside. You're going to place your thumb on the outer sock on both of them. You are going to use your thumb from the outer sock. You are going to peel the sock like how you are peeling an orange, for instance. While you are peeling the sock, after that, all you have to do is just roll the sock up. And there it is. That is your sock ball. Well, this is a much better view to show you how to peel the sock and make it into a ball. Now, the only reason why I put the green pair of socks and the three black socks that I have shown earlier is to let you see the size difference in the sock ball. The only difference in between the three socks is that the white sock is a lot smaller, it is a lot lighter. The black and the green striped sock, which in this picture looks a lot smaller, but it is bigger than the white sock, is that um, the larger sock is more suited because it is heavier, meaning there will be better control for students to work on, such as soccer dribbling activities, soccer kicking, striking, and even striking with the sock ball for a bowling activity. Hope this video helps you with how to make a softball video, and I certainly hope you really enjoy using your softball.